कोलकातात दोतर स्टुडंटाचेर बलात्कार आनी खून आनी त्या उपरांत पुरावे नश्ट करून जमावान केल्लो हॉस्पिटलाचेर हल्लो प्रकरण चडार पावला. दोतोरांनी संप जाहीर केला.
We are going to protest. We are going to shut down OPD services nationwide from 7 a.m. Saturday, 6 a.m. Saturday to 6 a.m. morning Sunday for 24 hours. This is not only assault and murder of a woman, of a doctor woman, but it is assault and murder of woman at workplace, which is just unbelievable. Someone on duty has been killed, raped and killed.
संप असलो तरी एमर्जन्सी सेवा दितले म्हूण डिनान स्पष्ट केला.
Do you think any impact will be there if it continues tomorrow also, the strike?
The impact means suppose when it continues then our routine work will suffer. But emergency work, no way. Emergency, we will be there. All senior doctors will be working. Emergency, we cannot do. Even they have agreed that they will do emergency services. God has also written there that all emergency services will be continued as usual. Including interns who are on emergency duties, they will also be doing emergency.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.